Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Librans. So on your side we have the Five of Cups. Let's see what are the energies of the person you're dealing with. The Knight of Cups, okay. The most likely outcome. Is the Judgment, okay. So now for the Five of Cups on your side, you are really upset over something. There is something which has happened which is really making you upset. We'll clarify what that is, and you are not even able to focus on anything else because of this. As far as your person is concerned, with the Knight of Cups, they have a beautiful energy of being open to love. The most likely outcome is the Judgment. So here what I feel is there is a time to take a decision, time to take a call, time to act regarding a situation perhaps which was pending since a long time, but now you have to take a decision on it. Okay, so let's clarify the Five of Cups. Let's clarify the Five of Cups. Why is this Five of Cups here? Let's clarify why is this Five of Cups here for Librans. So the Five of Cups, we have the Four of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the Two of Cups. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups on your person's side. So for the Knight of Cups, we have the Ace of Cups, the Emperor, and the Seven of Cups. For the Judgment, we have the Nine of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So Librans, for the Five of Cups on your side, we have the Four of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the Two of Cups. You are holding on to something. Okay, there is a relationship over here which is beautiful, which is very good, but you are holding on to something, and maybe you are trying to put your point across. You are trying to convince the other person, no, I'm right, this is my point of view, I'm right. It's something like that. Maybe you are trying to convince them for something, trying to defend yourself. It's like, no, I was right. There is something in your head which is going on. You're holding on to something in this relationship, and you want the other person to agree on that, and perhaps maybe the other person isn't agreeing, can be that didn't agree to it or something like that, and that is what is making you upset. So somehow I'm getting the energy of you taking a stand on something, or you being adamant on something, or something of that sort. You're taking a stand on something. Okay, I'm right, I'm this, and that is why you're upset. Maybe you're not able to convince the other person. As far as this Knight of Cups is concerned, on your person's side, we have the Ace of Cups, the Emperor, and the Seven of Cups. So this person is definitely open for love. They do want a new beginning. They are in a position of they are controlled. They are very, very controlled of their emotions now. They are in a very good position as far maybe authority, maybe whatever it is. So they have gained control. This person is in full control of themselves, or full control of their life. But the only thing is, there is maybe they have many options there. Maybe this person has a lot of option in which they are finding it hard to choose or pick up. This person is open to love, very confident, and maybe the vibe which I am getting here is that this person has many options. So they are open to love, and they're just choosing which one, something of that sort. So this person is in a very confident and in a very good position as far as their self personality or something of that, their own self is concerned. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Judgment. For the Judgment, we have the Nine of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. So somebody here is trying too hard for a new beginning here. And since this person, maybe they are not able to achieve that new beginning perhaps. And that is what is making them anxious and upset. That's what I feel. So somebody here wants to take a decision regarding a new beginning. Somebody really wants, or maybe this issue comes up once again, it can be that also, but this somebody here is wanting a new beginning which is perhaps not happening, and in spite of this person trying very hard. That is what is causing anxiety to this person, whosoever is trying for a new beginning and it is just not happening. That's what I feel. Maybe this person is maybe a flirt, can be that, but this person has many options, or maybe they are busy with something else. I don't know. Message from this deck is number 30, maybe of some significance for you. True love. This love is once in a lifetime, okay? Maybe that is why you are trying hard. Maybe this person is confused regarding this decision, and who knows, they may pick, maybe they may, since they are confused, may have many options, and if you are one of them, maybe they are just, it can be that they don't have many options. It can be that also that they are confused about what decision should be made. If they really don't have many options, and if they are not a flirt, then maybe they are trying to just make up their mind and trying to decide upon, take a decision as to what should be the decision. That is why they are confused. Maybe they have many other works, they are busy with many things. It can be that also. But yes, there is a lot going on in this person's life, that is for sure. If not in a romantic situation, maybe someplace else, but this person is focused on many other things, though they are open to love, but then they have many other things going on in their life. So, and that is why they're confused as should I or should I not. It can be that also. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.